The drillers perform a mass salute to give a formal sign of respect to everyone and to our guests. The company commander salutes you for the significant occasions. You will now witness the final command given from the company commander. From here on, the company will proceed with its performance without further commands. Changing of colors signifies each individual officer came from different places, bound with one purpose. Unity is strengthened when there is teamwork and collaboration. We live together as brothers, united by actions, hearts, and minds. One command, one move. Officers are often serious and declining. Little do people know that behind that harder look is a cheerful person longing to connect with others, to share a smile and start a conversation. A simple smile breaks the barrier created by our intimidating uniforms. Watch at the silent DMC ROTC officers form the letter H and I. It's a hi to everyone. A pleasant greeting from TMC ROTC officers who are inspired and dedicated to execute their extraordinary exhibition. And hi to our guests and visitors to the Caramata Festival 2023. TMC, also known as Trinidad Municipal College, has catered thousands of students coming from all over part of Bohol and nearly provinces. TMC is one of the breeding ground of the future leaders of our country. Taking shape of the famous letter forming a triangle. Triangle defines direction. The unit's deep traditions that develop a path to young officers of gentle breeding and strong character. To this day, and even when we achieve our dreams, we carry in our hearts the secret code. Wave formation. It tests our sensitivity and coordination. Therefore, we should be responsible in our actions in order not to take the risk with the group.
Kasayop. Si Kasayop.
Ano sa kubasan?
May guide ka. Ang halid mo. Ano, choreographer mo, basa sa mo. Basa sa... Yes?
The lifelong concept of courage, duty, excellence, honor, loyalty, and respect, such as a message that lies behind the circle, as an expression of the officer's passion for order, discipline, and perfection.
Wala literanan sir. Dapat literanan.
Watch as they move outward to show you passing of rifles, which symbolize camaraderie. Every officer is responsible for each other. This exhibition symbolizes the sharing and how we come among the others. Camaraderie that builds from the toughest training. This allows officers to exhibit a never-ending brotherhood that flows in the long way line. Planting of rifles are for the alertness of every individual in carrying their designated duties and responsibilities. It is also tests the agility to become agile and quick to react in a situation wherein they need to become alert anytime. A modified routine that involves a complex marching sequence. Throwing of rifle is for the delegation of a certain task to its fellow officer. Throwing believed to be unusually good thrower due to their high dexterity and good timing. In this drill, they will throw the rifle to the person next to them. This shows how officers trust each other. An element of trust that holds us together, even in the most threatening time. Officers often give the impression of emotionless people. The serious face with a tiger look aura. One will truly say that they act the same way at the time. But contrary to the popular belief, jailers are now forming a very familiar shape to us. It is the basis of the emotion in life. The heart. Officers know how to have a good time. We know how to enjoy and dance with the music. Pay attention and brace yourself for the hardest part of the drill.